I did celebrity death prank to Granny. She loves SOMIZI.
Wanneer ik zo'n SOMIZI? SOMIZI Mhlongo. Car accident. Ngathi warithambe wabuya e-airport.
Ushona kanjani?
Ushone car accident.
Kanti bekahamba kahamba ngeMercedes.
Bahamba ngayo iMercedes, shuthi ngathi bahamba ngeViano, because ngathi akashona ngayo one. Bekhona labo DJ Tira nabo Simphiwe Shabalala lapho.
Bebadakiwe.
Angazi. Okay.
Hayi wena. Uloyo ulomfana.
Hayi, Green soboshwa, hayi Green.
Hello there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cellular. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So you guys, the prank on TikTok whereby TikToker pranks their loved ones regarding their favorite celebrity dying is trending there on TikTok, and one user pranked his grandmother that her favorite celebrity SOMIZI Mhlongo has passed away. So in this video he pranked his grandmother, and the reaction was so sad and funny at the same time. But at last, seeing how she loved SOMIZI Mhlongo, and after she found out that it was a prank, and that reaction was priceless. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.